Next piece, because there's so many cool colors in here that match it.
And you know, it's really, so okay, but here's the irony of this. This is one of those designs that I designed to go back to rainbow. So that, you know, because you kind of have alternative. It's an alternative, you know, it's alternative for people that had the rainbow fix, that just had to have that multitude of colors,
right,
that really needed that brightness, that pop and everything. And these, it's funny, Suzanne's talking about that, and this is a perfect example of that.
Of what you did, right.
Of what we've done. And they've been, to tell you the truth, they've been highly successful. People really love this. They love this multicolored look, all the natural, different natural looks, and then you've got all these different pops of color.
Okay, so here's what we started. We started out with 1,000 of these. That's all we had. We're down to, Rocky, how many do I have left, honey? Oh, we're gonna show you, this is 60 inches, it's long, it's super long, and it's got a clasp on the back. It used to be a couple years ago, Jay didn't do a clasp on the back, and then everybody wanted it because we wanted to do and have more versatility with it. So this one you can really wrap around a lot of times.
Do you know some of the most successful things about our line? I've been doing this for 42 years, okay, that I'm doing it. The Mind Find show in October will be 24 years that we've had this. Do you know, like, do you realize this clasp? Okay, this clasp on this is something that our viewing audience came up with, that they wanted. It's been one of the most successful things that we have done on longer links.
Clasp ever.
Okay, the other clasp that we have, the 2 3/4 extender chain, that was our viewing audience that came up with that over 20 years ago. Been the most successful thing that ever really happened to us in our designs. Standard things, standard findings that we can make that make us different, that everybody loves. And you know what, they all equate to one thing: user-friendly, wear-friendly, and that it makes all the designs more versatile.
This is a great example too. With 60 inches, it can be a bracelet, it can be a belt, which would be so cute.
You can wear it as a belt. You can wrap it around as a a 20-strand bracelet, you know, whatever you can.
You can double it, you can knot it, you can wear it long.
What's really cool with this, and too, the reason that we went with these little small nuggets on all these and all the different materials, and a lot of these, you can't really see it, they're faceted. They literally take tweezers and fasten these beads.
Oh my gosh.
They have tweezers, they hold it, and then they fasten it. So that we gave it a little bling, we gave it a little sparkle. You've got rhodochrosite, you've got lapis, you've got different turquoises up there in this. There's even I believe there's some yellow opal in this. It's really just a really fun design, multitude of natural colors. And I made these are all, if you look at them, they're all little small nuggets except for the round beads, which we faceted out of lapis. You put those in. What really makes it cool though is they're smaller, so they're more agile. They're more where you can wrap them.
Really.
They're more versatile as far as taking a wrap, or like if you want to wrap it around your wrist. It's just a great look. You can come up with all kinds. You know, I thought the other day I was just playing with just a 60-inch design. I came up with almost 20 different designs, and now I'm not even saying. Since then, I've even thought of a couple more.
Hey, really?
But I thought of 20 different looks that you can do with it.
I love this. See, look what happens when you put another necklace you already have at home with this. All of a sudden, the stone that's in here pops out. So when I put the turquoise up there, did you notice how the turquoise
pops out of it?
Totally pop.
Also, you know, it's going to do the same thing with the colors that you wear. If you're wearing certain colors, the colors will bring out the colors that are in the necklace.
Because there's pink in here, there's turquoise in here. What is the little darkest stone? Is that spinel?
That's black spinel.
It is spinel. So you've got spinel that are little spacers. And we started out with 1,000. I think we have maybe 300 left. Is that it, Rocky? I'm running out of stuff to wear, for gosh sakes. I'm going to put this. I'm putting the bubblegum necklace on because it's so cute. I love this happy necklace. Okay, so in case you missed it last hour,